If A is to B is equal to 6 is to 7 and B is to C is equal to 8 is to 9, then A is to B is to C is. Now, you can write down the three alphabets A, B, C in a straight line. Now, the first ratio given to you is A is to B. So you can write down that ratio in the first line, 6 is to 7. Now, B is to C is 8 is to 9. So you can write down in the second line, 8 is to 9. Now, always remember that write down the alphabet which is common to both ratios in the middle. Now, you have two vacant spaces in this table, right? So what you have to do is fill those up with the corresponding neighboring horizontal value. Okay, so fill this up. So you have your 7 and here you have 8. Now multiply vertically. So 6 8s are you have 48, 7 8s are you have 56, and 7 9s are you have 63. So that's your final answer. So you can say that option C is your answer.